So my name's Fiona, this is my granddad Frank Crummy. Frank has been involved in the campaign since the 60s. I'm a member of the London Irish Abortion Rights Campaign, following in my great-granddad's footsteps, and I think we're just both really glad to be here today and celebrate the result of the referendum.
And I thank the people of Ireland for voting yes, because it's a question very simple. Do we trust women? I trust women, and now we have proved that the people of Ireland trust women.
And so how are you feeling about the results today?
Brilliant. It's unbelievable.
In shock.
Yeah,
I thought it would be a lot closer than it seems it's going to be.
Absolutely, it's very overwhelming. Because even just living in Dublin, Dublin's brilliant, but it's still quite a bubble as well. And in the south side of Dublin where I live, it can be a particular bubble. So while it was great to see a lot of good responses in favour of yes before the vote, and it was always unsure about how things were going to pan out. So it's brilliant. Yeah.